The egg has hatched. Let's see what's inside for community customers, as well as big moves made by investors recently. Newegg has launched the Newegg Gamer Community, a digital platform where customers and fans can connect, share, and explore the latest in gaming, PC hardware, custom builds, and technology trends. This community is designed for gamers, DIY builders, content creators, and tech enthusiasts, offering features like gaming news, PC hardware discussions, PC build showcases, DIY support, and polls. The platform aims to foster meaningful connections among like-minded individuals and provide a space for users to ask questions freely. Joining the community is free and easy, and users can create an account on Newegg.com or find it by searching Gamer Community on the site. Members can post, comment, showcase their PC builds, and engage with fellow users and Newegg staff. According to Jim Tseng, VP of Product Management at Newegg, the company has been fostering PC culture since 2001 and is excited to bring the community together on a global scale. On the investor side, Newegg insiders have made notable investments in the company's shares, with a total of $37 million worth of shares purchased in the last year. Insiders own 48% of the company, worth approximately $502 million, indicating a strong alignment with common shareholders. Vladimir Galkin, a major shareholder, has purchased shares multiple times in the past year, including 138,757 shares on July 29, 2025, at an average cost of $42.33 per share. The company's stock has surged over 621% year-to-date and currently trades near its 52-week high. Newegg Commerce's market capitalization is around $1.14 billion, with insiders seeing a 60% gain on their initial purchase of $37.1 million worth of stock. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.